Alert!
The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lipscomb County until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists have detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour.